Hi guys, welcome back. On today's video, we're going to learn how to turn on Instagram two-factor authentication. This is to prevent any other person from having access to your account and to serve as extra layer of security. So go to your profile picture at the bottom right, click on these three lines at the top right hand corner as shown by the arrow, then click on settings. Further, click on security. Click on two-factor authentication. Click on Get Started, and your security method can either be through an authentication app, WhatsApp, or text message. I prefer WhatsApp, so I'm just going to click on WhatsApp. Now I'm going to type in my WhatsApp number for authentication. So I'm just going to type that in real quick. Okay. So I'm just going to click on Next. Now I'll type in my confirmation code. It has been sent to me via text message. Then click on Next. Okay, now my two-factor authentication is now on, and as you can see, please do not forget to subscribe and turn on your own authentication.